This is the question number 2 of exercise 14.2. What is this question, children? The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 228 electrical components. मतलब जो है some electrical components are there whose lifetime in hours is given. Lifetime in hours is given. This column is called as class interval. Lifetime is 0 to 20 hours. How many? 10 electrical appliances. 20 to 40 hours lifetime, 35 appliances. Like that data is given. So determine the modal lifetimes of the components. इसका मतलब ज्यादा करके कौन से कंपोनेंट्स की लाइफ है वो हमको निकालना है. Okay, children? Right. So you know what is the requirement for modal class? L value, F1 value, F0 value, F2 value, H value to put in the formula. So what is required, children? Simply nothing. This table is very short for this. No more column. What is requirement? We have to select the modal class. That is very important. Modal class. What is the modal class? The class interval with maximum frequency. What is the maximum frequency? 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29. Which value is maximum? 61. So take the class interval involving 61. This is called as modal class. This is called as modal class. And here 60 is the L value. This is F1. This is F0. This is F2. Very simple. Nothing is there, children. Now put in the formula simply. L value is how much, children? 60. Lower boundary. F1 value is 61. And F0 value 52. F2 value 38. F2 value 38. And then H value 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. How much height, children? Gap is 20. So is it necessary to do, children? I hope can't you do? Okay. If not, let's check. So mode is equal to L plus, in place of L, how much value? 60 plus F1 61 minus F0 52 upon 2 into 61 minus F0 52 minus F2 38 whole into 20, children. So is equal to 60 plus 61 minus 52 9 divided by 2 into 1 2 6 12 minus 2 on 8 10 1 carry plus 5 6 plus 9 90 into 20 60 plus 9 upon 2 minus 0 2 12 minus 9 3 32 into 20. Okay, children. 60 plus 20 into 9 180 upon 32. 180 upon 32. So 180 upon 32. If you want, you can cancel. 8 2s are 16. 2 20. No, with 4 you can cancel. Let it. I am doing directly. 32. 30 30 4 2s are 60. 33s are 90. 34s are 120. 35s are 150. 36s are 180. But 2 is also there. So 5 times. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 1 16. 20. Point 200. 36 ja 1 6 2 ja 12 6 3 ja 18 1 19. Now left is 8 0 82 2 ja. So is equal to 60 plus 5.62, that is 65.32 years. 65.32 years. Okay, children. Somewhat answer 60 plus 9 upon 32 into 20, 5.62. Oh, sorry, 62. Sorry, 65.62 children. Okay, children. Question number 3, children. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure. घर का पूरा जो है फैमिली का खर्चा of 200 families. Total 200 families are there of Gummadidala village. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. Children, here statement is not that much important. Important is what is given and what is the class interval. That is family income or expenditure, that is not required. Only at last we need the unit. For unit you have to see what is given here, rupees. So you have to write unit rupees. If you are not writing, you will lose half marks, children. Be careful. Remaining statement is not important in this type of questions. So you have to find mean and mode both. So for mode, what is required, children? Highest frequency containing class interval 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16, 7. Which one, children? 40. So take this as a modal class. Now all values are clear. This is F1, F0, F2. Can't you put, children? Yes, you can put in the formula. L value 1500, F1 40, F0 24, F2 33. Height how much, children? 1000, 1500, 2000. Height is how much? 500. Can't you write, children? So L value is 1500. F1 value 40, F0 value 24, F2 value 33, H value 500. Just put in that, you will get the answer, children. Hope here calculation is not required, you can do with own. I am confident, I have the confidence on you that you can do with own, children. Next, children, here you have to find out mean. For mean, what you have to do? You have to find out first your class marks. You have to find out class marks, that is XI. Okay, children, what is the XI? 1000 plus 1500, 2500. 2500 by 2, 1250. Next, gap of 500. So 1250 plus 5, 1750. 500, 2250. 2750. 3250. 3750. And next 4250. 500 gap, children. Simply its numbers are looking to be big, children. So which method you want to go? Next method you have to jump deviation method, assumed mean method. Okay. For assumed mean, let I am taking here this as a. So what you have to find out, children? DI. DI is equal to XI minus A, children. XI minus A. What is this XI? 1250. 1250 minus A, that is 2750. Small to big, so minus 1250 to 2750. You can check it, children. Clearly 1500. 1750 to 2750. Clearly 1000 of minus. 2250 minus 2750. Clearly minus 500. Same number minus same number. Here 500. Here 1000. Here 1500. Still the numbers are not big. Numbers are big, children. So you should go to which method? Yes, UI. UI is equal to XI minus A upon H. So for your convenience, I am just rubbing this. Okay. UI, XI minus A, that is this one. Divide by H. How much is the height? 500. So minus 1500 by 500. Minus 3. 1000 by 500. 500 by 500. 0 by 500. 500 by 500. 1000 by 500. 1500 5. It's not so simple. Why unnecessary 1500? This much big calculation. So, and after that last step left is You know what is the last step? Fi ui. So see how simple. Fi is 24. 24 into 3 of minus 72. 40 into 2 of minus 80. 33 into minus 1 minus 33. Something into 0. Now 30 into 1 30. 22 into 2 44. So simple calculation. 16 into, sorry children, sorry. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Something left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 4500, 5000, 9500, 9500, 9500, 4750. One more data is there, children. 4750 and 2750 minus 4750, that is 2000. 2000. 2750 minus 4750. Here, to 2000 by 4. What data was left, children? It's a 4. So 4 here. So 22 into 2, 44. 16 into 3, 48. And 7 into 4, 28. Sorry children, one data was here whose frequency was there. I did not consider. Now I wrote it down. Hope you will adjust. Now, what you have to do? Sigma Fi ui. Okay children, after finding sigma Fi ui, the total families are given. That is 200 families. So need not to total. Here given 200 families. So what you have to put the formula, children? Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi ui upon sigma Fi into H. A how much, children? 2750. 2750 plus sigma Fi ui. Okay children, negative numbers. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 7, 18 minus 185. Positive 8, 8, 16. 16, 4, 20. 2 plus 2, 4. 8, 12, 15. 150. This number, negative number is bigger. Negative number is big. 185 minus 150 minus 35 upon sigma Fi 200. Height is clearly given 500. So is equal to 2750 plus and minus 35 into 500. So two zeros here cancel. 5 into 35, 175. 5 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 217 by 2. 2750 minus 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are and 0.5. So if you subtract, children, I hope 9272 and here 4, 14 to 8, 6, 6 this, and this is what given in rupees. So here also rupees 2662.50. That is the right answer, children. Okay children, actually I should not solve. This is a very easy, just I should give a hint and you should be able to do, but even though I did, children,